Okay, back with Michael Bugs break. Mike, what's up, man? Actually, this is the last case. Yeah, the last case in museum. Show the case. I gotta give one to David's birthday break, and then one to Jason. It was will call. I had to go pick this stuff up at like 9:30 this morning. What time are we looking at now? 5:35. Still got. All right. So, since I got to give a ton of these away, marker, black one. Thanks. Michael, I'm just going to do top two for yours. Then Liz, I'm just going to put LD. That's for Liz and David. I think I'm shipping this one, but I'm going to lay it down there with theirs. And then Jason S. Jason, if you're watching, that's yours, bud. That'll be coming up later today, though. Should be breaking probably till about 7 or 8. And I'm showing I gotta ship one of these, but just I don't know. I just gotta go through all my lists when I'm shipping it later tonight. That'll be 1 and 2. Oh, and Mike, you got gold standard. Make sure that's NFL. Yeah, number 75. Alrighty, game on. Empty. Oh! Alright, you ready? Here we go, Mike. There we go. We have Drew Stubbs, $2.99, Ian Kinsler, Paul O'Neill, Adrian Gonzalez, Jumbo Bat, Carlos Gonzalez, number to 30. Wait a second, yeah, number to 30. Jeremy Hellickson, Ichiro, Dustin Ackley, Reggie Jackson, and numbered 1 of 5, Alex Rodriguez bat. Only 5 of those. We have $2.99, Mark Teixeira, Eric Hosmer, Mike Trout, Matt Holliday, quad jersey. Aramis Ramirez, Brian McCann, Prince Fielder, Matt Kemp, number to 25. It reminds me of the old ballpark cards. We have Craig Kimbrell, $1.99, Carl Crawford, Justin Upton, Phil Necro, and the beard again. Cool looking patch on that one. Triple jersey, beard, 25, patch. They should put his beard in cards. Number to 299, Roy Halladay, Steve Carlton, Mark Trumbo, Robinson Cano. Yep, Robinson Cano. Number to 99, Jackie Robinson, and patch jersey autograph, Craig Kimbrell. Oh, you got a gold card right out of the gate. That didn't feel as heavy for some reason. $1.99. Victor Martinez, Dustin Pedroia, Ty Cobb, Jesus Montero, number to 15. These things are super heavy. That'd be a cool set to put together. Art of Hitting. I want to see one of those jumbo tangled up patches. Let's get it in this one. This is a fatty. $2.99. Dustin, Carlos Gonzalez, Roy Halladay, Raleigh Fingers. No, dual jersey autograph. $179. Alan Craig. Oh, we got a pack play. Troy Tulowitzki, $1.99. Eric Hosmer, Cliff Lee, Matt Count. Patch, triple jersey, Elvis Andrews, $99. Nice patch. Okay. We got Luke Stocker, $4.99. Dion Lewis Auto, $4.99. Then you got Jamal Charles, Peyton Manning, Nate Solder, Don Maynard, Adrian Claiborne, Priest Holmes, Colin Kaepernick. All those are $4.99. I'm at $2.99. Jersey Mark Sanchez to $2.99. $99. Ben Jarvis Green Ellis. And DeMarco Murray, rookie patch autograph. That's a nice one. So Mike, there you have it, buddy. I appreciate it as always, man. I'll get these packaged sometime tonight or tomorrow morning. See ya.